Hello guys, I am back from a session of I was talking and not recording. Everything is settled around out of context, so let me just restart this stupid video. Okay, so I've been recently wanting to build an autonomous rover that could carry a payload or just in general be useful. In terms of being a rover, it's not supposed to be like rover, like a Mark rover. It's not supposed to be like a Mars rover or anything like that. Perhaps uncoincidentally, I actually have an event coming up at school. It's called Club Day. And basically, a ton of clubs, promote, get people to join, have fun, do stuff, like stuff. That sounds awkward. And as you guys may or may not already know, Oliver and I actually have a club that we made together called Maker Club. And you saw that banner in the previous video that was on my wall. Go watch, link in description. I broke a lot of stuff. Promotion is a really big factor in making sure that you get a lot of club members. So, the concept of this rover is actually pretty simple. A flat furniture dolly that looks like this, but how are we gonna power this dolly? We need hoverboard motors. Who doesn't like nice, powerful? To get those hoverboard motors, we're gonna need a hoverboard. And I got this hoverboard used for $40, and it's broken, but not broken to an engineer. And to navigate around, a NVIDIA Jetson Nano on the top, which is a small computer, and Oliver has it, it's his, and he's gonna do all the coding stuff because I hate coding, I'm sorry. And then we have a camera, because this computer is gonna be running image recognition with some AI that Oliver's gonna set up. And this way we know where to go, and we don't crash into people on Club Day, because otherwise that's a great way to get kicked out of your school. Last but not least, we need our magical hot garbage, which is going to be the promotion box, which is going to have logos, flyers. This looks like bandages. I don't know what to do. It is unboxing time. And I'm probably going to share this video to whoever I purchased this from. Okay, zoom in on everything I'm cutting. Oh, there's another box. Oh my god, I'm just gonna... Oh. This mic is just bouncing around everywhere. Wait, it's Spider-Man!
Spider-Man's not green, dude.
Oh, there's duct tape on it. Oh no. Laser cut something to cover up this stupid spider thing. Why does this keep coming off? See, like, oh my garbage can! Oh. I don't care, I'll clean it up later. It's gonna be really boring, so I'm just going to... It definitely seems like they tried plugging it in. They got a pretty bad and nasty spark. I'm definitely not plugging it in. Pause. Maybe I should tell you like what's going on right now. Okay, this is me mounting the wheel on. I'm clearly like on something because like in my senior year of high school, I was so freaking sleep deprived. So here we got the camera, then we got the NVIDIA Jetson Nano. Oliver, why are you so smart? Oliver's like, what is this BS Arvin's recording? I'm just like not gonna respond at all to it. So what issue were we having with the computer? It does not want to connect to Wi-Fi.
Worst case scenario, it becomes a remote control vehicle.
We will just have to see, but we can't guarantee an autonomous vehicle quite yet. What you cooking, Oliver?
Yeah, man, I guess.
What are you cooking?
Wood.
Oh wow, Arvin forgot to turn on his mic again. How smart. Here I'm explaining how the electronics work. If you want to get a good explanation of that, you should actually check out the Patreon. Yeah. Welcome to the conclusion of the second session of forgot to turn on my mic and was talking to myself. What are we doing right now?
Talking with Wi-Fi.
Thumbs up! And this here is the big face of disappointment that both me and Oliver share because this project was a total fun fact. Did you know that the different buildings within the school have actually different Wi-Fi networks? Yes, and that prevented us from being able to have stable Wi-Fi and for the stupid car to move on its own. What? If something bad happens, then it'll go on YouTube. My friend and I also found this big TV on the side of the road, so we took it. Hey Isaac, I have a question. How does your leg bend like that? God, I think it's fine.
Electric shock. Do not open.
Let's open.
Let's open.
Ryobi 1 Kenobi.
Whoa.
It sucked the screwdriver in.
Yeah. The flyback transformer looks pretty cool.
How do you feel about the fact that we've been working on this for 2 years?
Kill me, please.
I could kill you right now if you want.
No, no.
We finally have it working. It's not working? Oh, okay, it's working. Hey! Oh my god, look at all the marks on the... You can't go straight. Oh my god. This is so stupid. Oh. Alright, high-speed test? Okay, we're gonna try high-speed test. We also found a spider. Holy shit! It's all good, just some stuff ejected itself. Okay, we're gonna do a human test to see how this works. This is so rattly. Holy crap, this is so powerful. I'm like about to fall off. I almost fell off. Okay, I'm done. Do you want to try sitting on it? Burnout. It's so hard to go straight. There are no kids to play with me. Oh! The amount of core strength this requires is a bit too much for my liking. And I'm a bit in an exposed position right now. So, goodbye. I'm gonna go to, you see that cliff over there? Follow me on this marvelous adventure. Come on, let's go.
This is so fast. Shoot.
That's really hard.
This is so funny, actually. You want to take it outside?
I think this is good enough. The light is so bright. I think this is good enough. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, then press the dislike button. And if you like my channel, don't subscribe. And also check out the Patreon. Okay, bye.